Hey guys, Jer here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a DCA bot on 3Commas. So to create a DCA bot, you can click this button up here, create DCA bot, or you can click this plus right here. Once you're here, you'll either be welcomed by the Gordon section or the advanced section. We'll start with the Gordon though. So the first three options allow you to select the exchange you're using, the quote currency you want to use, and the amount of that currency you want to use. These three options will allow you to select if you want it to be conservative, moderate, or aggressive. These three options will use QFL as their deal start conditions. If you want to create your own bot instead of relying on these, you can click advanced and do so. The main settings up here allow you to change the name of your bot, the exchange you are using, and if you want it to be single pair or multi-pair. The pairs section allows you to select the pair you want to trade with. So for this example, I am going to go ahead and select SHIB USDT. The strategy section allows you to select the strategy you're using. So I want it to be a long, because long are better on bullish markets, short is better on bearish markets. For profit currency, I'm going to select base SHIB because I want to take profit in the actual currency. The quote option will make you take profit in the quote currency, USDT. Base order size and safety order size allow you to change the size of the deals you create. So the base order will be the first order that you create. So I'll just say 20 USDT for now. Safety order, usually a good rule for the safety order is half of the base order, because safety orders will open as the price falls. And if it hits, in this example, if it drops 1%, it will open the first safety order for $10. Start order type will allow you to select if you want it to be a market order or a limit order. This will only affect the start of the order. Market orders will suffer slippage but start deals quicker. Limit will start it at a certain price but start deals slower. For deal start condition, this is the most important part of your bot. It will be telling your bot when to make the deals. So for this, you have a bunch of different options. You can even select some from the marketplace. But for this, I'm just going to go ahead and select RSI 7, 5 minutes, and 30. If you had more than one deal start condition, for example, if I click this, it adds open new trade ASAP. So if I have both of these on, they both have to agree to open a deal for it to do it. So that means open new trade ASAP won't open a new trade as soon as possible. But for example, if I select QFL, and I select original, 3, whatever, now it's going to want RSI 7 to say buy and QFL to say buy for it to make a deal. For take profit, this is going to be where you're going to be taking your profit. So for here, you would put the percent you want it to rise before it sells. So I like putting 0.3% for small take profits. For take profit type, this allows you to select how your safety orders work. So if you take percentage from base order, it will make it easier to reach the target percentage profit. So every safety order you make won't affect how much profit you make. It'll just affect when you'll take profit. Percentage from total volume will make it where you will always take that profit that is set once the deal is made. So as you make safety orders, that target profit doesn't change, meaning you'll make more profit once it finally hits it. The next section is stop loss. You can add a stop loss if you like. You would just enter the percent that would be lost. So let's say if it drops 10%, I want it to sell the deal. But I don't want to use a stop loss, so I'm going to turn that off. For safety orders, this is where you can choose how many safety orders your bot will make as the deal drops in price. So here, it's default set to 5. So that means if it drops 5%, all safety orders will be taken. Max active safety trades count allows you to select how many safety orders are active on the market at a time, locking your funds. Price deviation is how far the order has to drop for it to make a safety order. Safety order volume scale allows you to change the amount of funds you use in your safety orders as it drops. So if you wanted to use more as it drops, it can multiply. So we can say it uses 2 times the amount. So this means it starts with $10, as I put up here, $10, and then the next one will be 20, the next one will be 40, the next one will be 80. You can set this to whatever you like. Most people like setting it to 1. For safety order step scale, this multiplies the percentage, so if you don't want it to be 1% in between each, you can multiply that. to, let's just say 2. This will make it where it starts out at 1, then multiplies by 2, so then it goes down 2%, multiplies again by 2, 4%, multiplies again, 8%, and so on. Advanced settings allow you to do a bunch of different things. You can make it where you don't start deals unless the volume is above a certain amount in Bitcoin. So you can say, if it's under 500 Bitcoin, don't start. Minimum price to open deal will limit your bots to open a deal at a certain price. If it goes under a certain limit, it will not open any deals. Maximum price to open deal will do the same thing, but it doesn't open a deal above a certain level. Cooldown between deals allows you to put a cooldown in between deals so it doesn't open up deals right away. And then open deals and stop allows you to type a number of deals you want to run before the bot stops itself. So if I put 5 here, it will do 5 trades, and once it does 5 trades, it'll stop the bot. And then close deal after timeout. If you have this on, it will automatically close the deal if the deal's active for too long. So you can choose minutes, hours, and days. You can put like 30 days, which is a month, and if that doesn't trigger, then it will automatically sell. And then once you have all your settings set, all you have to do is click Create Bots. If you have a yellow warning right here, that means you're using too many funds with your bots and you may run into an insufficient funds error in the future. But once you're done, you would click Create Bots, and you can start it if you'd like. And there we are, we have our bot made. If you have any questions about creating a bot or any of the settings, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them the best I can. I will also include a bunch of links in the description if you want to learn more about the settings. But I hope this video helped you out. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is me merely teaching you guys how to use the DCA bot section. I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy trading.